Okay, so we loosen this, and then I think this needs to come out completely. Maybe, and then this, I don't know how this would go in though. This needs to come out completely. Yeah, we have to remove this completely. And then we remove this, and then we put this on like this, but we have to first put this bracket in. Actually, we put the bracket in after we install it, so we install it first. Gonna snap it on. I have to push hard on this. Yeah, that is kind of hard to do with just one hand. Anyway, we push hard on this, and then this can rotate, as we can see. This is made of some kind of a soft rubbery material, so I'm wondering if this would wear out in the summer heat, which wouldn't be very good. Okay, then we put this back on the other side. We turn the string trimmer around like this, and then put this in from the other side. So that this round part faces the round shaft like this. And then I think we put this lever back through. Looks like it doesn't want to go in from this side. Oh, it does actually. So basically this provides the tension, and then on this side, actually maybe the lever goes in on that side, not sure. Yeah, I think the lever goes in from the other side, because it's got a kind of a notch here. See this notch for the lever, so it probably fits into that notch and goes in this way. You have to guide it through this hole. Kind of harder to do with one hand. able to guide it through, and now it fits on this notch like thing here. And this is where we put the tighten it. With this putting back this wing nut. There we tighten it to a certain point, and then the additional tension is actually, you should loosen this a little bit so it's not too tight. The remaining tension is it's still moving, but remaining tension is added with this. So after we push this lever down, we want to make sure it does not rotate, because they're going to be holding it. Yeah, it does not rotate. If necessary, tighten this a little bit more, and that should be it.